Good Wednesday morning. So I told you guys I had some stuff to do this morning, and I'm already done. And it's only, I don't know, 10:30, 11 o'clock. So, emptied my trailer. Then I had to go back to that computer store and get some more crap. So, I just grabbed it, threw it in here, as you can see. There ain't no stacking. So, I'll get it unloaded. There's a couple of oldies right there. I'll get it unloaded, and then I'll do a video. Yes, I said video. On, I don't know what we got. I'll probably just put it all downstairs and, oh wow, look at this. How old is this shit? This is like almost around the time that Hunting and Stuff with J&J was born. This old crap. That's hilarious. Remember the old Nextel phones? This is an NEC. These probably have some good gold in them. These old ones like this. Probably sell them. Some dummy might want to buy them. So yeah, I'm gonna sort through all this crap. See what's all in here. I did see a box with some hard drives and stuff in it. A lot of bags, but that's all like copper and aluminum CPUs. That's another one. But I know there's a bunch of hard drives in here somewhere because I need a. Can't even open it. 56K Performance Pro modem. Still in the box. Not even open. 2 of them in there. More laptop batteries. Oh, look at here. Tray full of memory. So cool. Yeah, but there's a. Give you an overhead shot. And there's a bunch of towers and laptops. All this stuff he had. And he still has a ton of crap in there. He didn't even get it all done. So, that works for me. Oh, there's one of my fans. The E-Waste mic fan. There's my other E-Waste mic fan right there. Need to get my Michael Murphy cup before I forget it. So, trailer's out of the way, so I can pile all that stuff right here and go through it, I guess. So, I will shoot up another video, whatever it is, when I get this stuff out in the pile. Until then, I will talk to you all later. Have a good one.